Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and haptics section. Then we can see here the ringtone volume panel, and if you want to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left side with your finger. Also we can make it by the second way just by press down volume button, but first be sure that the option to use the volume buttons to change the ringtone is activated, and now by just press down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone, and that's it. So also have the third way how we can do that. Just you should open the control center and then here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just swipe to the down this volume panel and by this way you will mute the ringtone. That's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.